make this legendary combo together, shall we? First of all, you fry your potatoes. So this is me mixing my potato with salt and frying it. Okay, and meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please click the bell button so that you also get notification on my updates. So I don't know how you like your potatoes, but I like it brown. So you add your oil, add your salt, your onions, give it a good stir. Now add your chicken frankfurters, some people call it sausages. Give it a good stir. Then add your seasoning, add your pepper, your scotch bonnet, and all of that stuff. Some people call it red bell pepper, Yoruba pepper. Give it a good stir. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Meanwhile, add your seasoning, any seasoning of your choice. I always like to use the black pepper, so I added it as well. Then you add your raw egg. Allow it to boil a little and give it a good stir. So here you have it, your egg sauce, and your fried potato. Let me know in this comment section if you tried this. Okay, thank you.